What's up, Saiyan Army? All packed up, ready to go Vegas. Show them the bags. And what faster way than to instant transmission? So first step in instant transmission, you find someone's power level, lock onto it, and then sayonara. A.m. Went to sleep 2 hours ago. Stayed up, catching up with some friends. Now, let's go on an adventure. What's up, Saiyan Army? Here with my boy, Tyson. So for those of you guys who don't know, this is Ohiruhashi. This is running chopsticks in the flesh.
Oh,
if you guys don't know what running chopsticks is, what running chopsticks is, watch my 10-year Saiyan transformation video and find out. Anyways, this is the guy that got me into lifting. This is the guy that dragged my 120-pound butt to the gym every morning. We used to go before high school every morning. We'll talk a little bit more about it as we go. But anyways, right now we're headed to Antelope Canyon. And if you don't know what Antelope Canyon is, just wait and see. This shit is gonna be epic. Right now, we slept for 2 hours last night. We have about 5 hours left on this to get there. So 2 hours of sleep, 5 hours of driving. We're stocked up, ready to go though. So yep, this just happened. Oh, is that the nail right there? Thanks to nail over there. Damn. About 2 minutes later. Exciting way to start the trip. So we're driving, we hear the warning light go off, we pull over, and that happens. So right now we're gonna go look for, well, there's a Firestone 3 miles away. We're gonna go, hopefully, or we're gonna change the tire, speak it into existence. We're gonna go change the tire out and be on our way. Cross your fingers.
Right, lefty loosey, right?
It's a beautiful day though, look at that. Got his little palm trees. These little ones. Got a little racing speedway. Progress, we got the bicycle tire on there. And we good.
So we keep them clean.
So we got the Rockstar Pure Zero watermelon flavor, as recommended by my boy NWB. See if it lives up to the hype, man.
Oh shit, it's good.
Damn, that's super watermelony.
I know.
I thought it was just gonna be sweet.
For 1.5 miles.
Tastes like legit watermelon. Tastes like you cracked open a watermelon. What do you think?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. See, it's crisp, it's light, gets me all fired up.
And 0 calories.
Damn. Yo, this is some next level shit. Next level. I rarely drink energy drinks anymore, but I might have to start cutting back on that pre-workout and up in the Rockstar life.
Watermelon life.
The watermelon life. Damn. So we're here at the second tire shop. Looks like we're not getting there till like 1 or 2 or later, but the harder the struggle, the greater the prize. It's gonna be a good time. Back on the road, finally got the new tire going. We got the Tundra that looks like straight out of Mad Max. And a beautiful day. We all gonna make it. Gas brake, number 2. P brake, number 1400. Probably like 5 or 6. Probably restock on some caffeine because this 2 hours of sleep ain't happening. I ain't even driving yet. He's driving, but the flat tire put us 3 hours behind. But it's all good. Like I said, we're all gonna make it as long as we don't quit. Naked because we feel little sick from the 2 hours of sleep. Get that immune system up.
Popping some chicken chipadas.
Chicken pitas. Chicken pitas, bro. Bam. 40 minutes to go. But check out this art, man. Check that out. It looks like someone, looks like faces on the wall. Look at that. Woo! We made it. 4 hours later, we made it. Flat tire, 2 hour delay, but we still made it. And we're ready to go on this glorious hike. Are you guys ready to get your minds fucked?
Just believe me, this journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me, this journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me.
Get my Picasso on. Who's a good photographer? Get my Peter Lick on. Oh yeah, that's the guy who takes water shots, right? Yeah. This is flipping cool. Look how tight this thing is, man. This is not bodybuilder friendly, man. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Oh, that's tight, man. What's that?
Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This
is Sid right here.
Stay with me.
This is right there, oh, this is a pregnant monkey right there. See that? See that? Pregnant monkey. See that monkey's face right there? That's pregnant. See that?
I don't know, but it looks really cool.
Yeah, you have no creativity, man. Look, see, that's the eye, that's the mouth, and that's the belly.
Oh, I see something.
Yeah, it's a pregnant monkey. We just walked through. So, what do you think, Ty? Did you have fun?
That was amazing, yeah.
It was amazing.
Definitely.
Blow your mind.
Yep. Mind blown.
Mind blown. That was amazing.
It's crazy.
Hope you guys enjoyed the scene. Alright, so driving home from the hike, I just drove for, I don't know, a little over an hour or something. Tyson caught up on his beauty sleep.
Yeah.
Anyways, I want to talk about the hike for a little bit. Hike was amazing. Hopefully I was able to portray, it's not even a hike, it was like a walk. It was like a walk through like underground caverns. Yeah.
I think he says 110 feet or something.
Yeah, 110 feet, yeah, underground at the deepest point. Like literally from above, it just looks like a crack in the earth. Yeah. But it's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy that they're like underground, there's like tunnels and yeah. So it was just amazing, and think it was totally worth it and enjoyed it. What do you think about it?
I thought it was very unique. I've never seen something like that in my life, and that's why we travel, right? So we can have experiences in life.
Yeah. So I think it's definitely worth it. 2 hours of sleep because we were like staying up, catching up last night. Yeah.
It's not the breaths you take; it's the moments that take your breath away.
Yeah. And this definitely was probably one of the sickest things I've seen.
I agree.
Yeah. You think it's up there with like your Grand Canyon helicopter tour?
It's very, yeah, it's pretty amazing, and it's cool that's right by there too.
Yeah.
I wish I knew about it when I did my Grand Canyon tour.
Yeah.
Save the trip.
Yeah. For us, it was this kind of stuff is real cool because both him and I are from Hawaii, and we're used to doing like hikes and stuff where it's real green and lush. So just to see like lots of rocks and granite and
What was that? Yeah.
It was something like yellow.
Limestone?
No, limestone. Yeah, I think it was limestone. Yeah, we think.
I don't know, maybe not.
But it was just cool to see like a different type of beauty, aka rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of like trees and a view.
Yeah, and the light, how it reflects off, changes all these colors.
Oh yeah, and how the light reflects. It's crazy how like 1 minute you'll look at something and depending on how the light's hitting it, you'll get the picture. And then I tried to help another guy take the same picture because the one I said looked like that dude from Ice Age.
The
Sid.
sloth.
Yeah. I said one of the rocks looked like Sid because the way the sun was hitting it. So I tried to show one of the other guys, and he went back and I tried to show it to him, and it didn't look like Sid no more.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, and that's just 2 minutes, and it's crazy.
Capture the moment.
Yeah, how that moment is there for just a moment, then it's gone. So really enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're heading home. Tired. I don't know if we're going to end it here.
Vegas, baby, Vegas.
We're gonna meet up with my parents. We're definitely gonna might gamble a little bit.
Well, this is like a fake 24/7, 365. You're a pussy, you mean?
Yeah.
Which is not necessarily true either. You know what I'm saying?
Far from it.
Yeah, because you can be successful and enjoy your fruits now.
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000!